What is your New Year resolution?
माल खत्म नहीं होना चाहिए, खाना बहुत बनना चाहिए.
To have excellent ratings for all our recipes.
So this year we are planning on building more robust systems and making an environment where we can deliver features fast and reliably. So yeah.
So my New Year's resolution is optimizing efficiency and embracing excellence in appliance.
Our New Year resolution is to get our users to cook more and release more cool AI features. Hey Avantika, what's your resolution for business team?
So our resolution is to make better content and get more engagement. Stay tuned for this new content.
Okay, the resolution would be for the CX team in particular, improve overall customer satisfaction with better communication and also resolve issues faster.